Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Got another special Amazon Prime unboxing due. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you get one of these at a low cost. Free shipping. And I'll ship this to you fast. About to find out what's inside and see how it looks. Oh boy. There we go. Hopefully you guys don't fall over. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. There we go. Alright, nice and easy. Oh man. At least everything's secured. Yeah. I'm still getting through this. There we go. Oh, I did a good job at packaging it. And now, there we go. This is coming from MIULEE Fashion Exquisite something. Not sure what this is. Oh, sheer cut curtains. Gift from life. Alright. Take a look. Zipper. Whoop. Oh, these are nice. I'll do the hanging these in a second once I set it up in the other room. These are the privacy kind almost. Can't. Oh yeah, these are good ones. Can't see really through it, so if you guys try to sleep during the day, these will be perfect. Nice design too. Got the rings right there. Alright guys, next time you're gonna see me, it's gonna be in the room. See ya. Alrighty guys, here we are. Look at that. Check them out. Link is gonna be down below. We can get you some of these shears. Privacy. Neighbors can't see nothing. Oh yeah, so check them out. And check out their styles, colors they have. Many to choose from. This is a gray one. 85-inch. All the way down to the bottom. All the way up to the top. There you go. Zoom in a little bit more. Ooh, baby. Alright guys, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.